I discovered a hidden gem in Taoyuan.
Hello guys, I'm Donna, OFW dito sa Taiwan. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Forest House in Fushing District, Taoyuan.
We found this cozy forest house super chill and surrounded by trees. They also have this cute cafe inside. I got a drink, just sat there and enjoying the view. Total reset moment. It's so peaceful here, the air feels fresh and the vibes just calm. Perfect spot to slow down a bit. Madali lamang itong puntahan kung mayroon kayong private vehicle. Or I suggest to book a tour taxi kung madami kayo. Swear guys, sulit talaga itong puntahan. Look at the ambience of the cafe guys. Grabe, sobrang peaceful at calming ng vibe. And the food here was a bomb. Grabe, sobrang tender ng pork ribs. Yung price ng food nila dito is around $400 to $600 NT. Ayun lang guys, follow for more.